Welcome to our English listening video. Today, you'll follow a calm story inside a fast food restaurant. Two friends walk in, choose food, order at the counter, and talk about simple things like fries and drinks. The goal is easy listening and gentle speaking practice. Are you ready to hear everyday English in a real situation? Then relax and enjoy the story.
Hi, Liam. I'm hungry.
Me too, Sarah. Let's order fast.
Okay. Is there a line?
Yes, but it's short.
Good. What do you want?
I think a burger and fries.
That sounds good. Do you want a drink?
Yes, a soda, please.
Okay. Let's go to the counter.
Sure, we can choose quickly.
Look, there are many choices.
Yes, I like burgers here.
Do you want chicken or beef?
Beef, I think.
Okay. What about fries?
Small fries or big fries?
Let's get small. I'm not too hungry.
Okay, small fries.
And a soda for me.
And for me too. One more thing. Ketchup?
Yes, please. 2 ketchups. Hi, we want to order, please.
2 meals, please.
1 burger with small fries.
And a soda.
For me, a cheeseburger, please.
For me, a classic burger.
Can we have ketchup too?
Yes, and 2 ketchup cups, please.
How much is it?
Thank you.
We're ready to pay. Here you are.
Thanks. What is next?
We'll get our food soon.
Do we wait here?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, let's take a seat.
Not yet. Maybe they call the number.
Right. We need to listen.
I can wait. I'm calm.
Me too. We're almost done.
Thanks for ordering with me. I smell food.
Yes, it smells good.
How long does it take?
Not long, I hope.
I can see the kitchen.
Yes, they move fast.
Are we waiting for our burgers?
Probably. Let's stand here.
Okay, I'm ready to eat.
Me too. Let's keep calm.
Is this ours?
Yes, here we go.
Thank you.
Let's carry it to the table.
Okay, watch the fries.
I will. No mess.
Do we have 2 drinks?
Yes, I see 2 cups.
Great, I'm ready.
Let's go sit.
Come on, Liam. This looks good.
Yes. Smell it.
Okay, first fries.
Do you want ketchup?
Yes, please. A little.
Here you go.
Thank you. Mmm, tasty.
My burger is hot.
Is it good?
Yes, it's good. What about yours?
Also good. I like it.
Great.
Oh no, I need more ketchup.
Do you want me to get it?
Please, yes, but I can go too.
Let's do it together.
Okay, 1 more cup.
Excuse me. Where is ketchup?
Over there, I think.
Got it. Here you go.
Thank you, Liam.
No problem. Enjoy your fries.
Yes, now it is perfect. The burger is really good.
Yes, the cheese tastes nice.
And the fries are warm.
They are crispy.
I like crispy fries.
Me too.
Is your soda cold?
Yes, very cold.
Good choice.
What's your favorite part?
The fries, always.
Okay, next time, fries again.
Liam, I need the bathroom.
Okay, let's ask someone.
Where is it, please?
I think it's near the back.
Is it far?
No, maybe 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Take your time.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I will wait here.
I'm back. All good.
Nice. I'm cleaning a little.
Me too. Let's keep it tidy.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, cold water, then soap.
Good.
Where do we put the trash?
In the bin, over there.
Okay.
We are finished soon.
Great. Bye, fries.
Bye. Next time we eat again.
That was a nice meal.
Yes, thank you for coming.
Your burger was good.
And your fries were great, too.
Next time we can come again.
Yes, same place?
Maybe. Or we try something new.
Okay, but burgers first.
Deal.
Bye for now, Sarah.
Bye, Liam. See you soon.
How was it? I hope this video helped you feel comfortable listening to English in a fast food restaurant. Practice the simple lines you heard. Ordering, asking for condiments, and talking about taste. By repeating these short sentences out loud, you can learn faster and feel more confident. On this channel, I share calm, real-life stories with easy English for beginners. I will keep uploading videos like this. How was it? See you in the next video. Bye!